If you're seeing an Epic Games error message and the launcher just will not open, load, or behave properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest fixes step by step. We're going to clear the Epic Games Launcher web cache, run the launcher as administrator, repair the installation, check your graphics drivers, and even verify whether the problem is actually on Epic's side. These are the same fixes that solve a lot of common launcher issues, and the best part is, you can try them right now without complicated tools. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to clear the Epic Games Launcher and my web cache. This is one of the most common fixes because corrupted cache files can stop the launcher from loading correctly or cause strange error messages. To do this, completely close the Epic Games Launcher if it's open. Then press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the run box. In the field, type %local app data %, then press enter. This opens your local app data folder. From here, find and open the Epic Games Launcher folder, then open the saved folder. Inside that folder, look for a folder named web cache. Delete the web cache folder completely. Don't worry, this is safe. The launcher will rebuild it automatically the next time it starts. Once that's done, restart the Epic Games Launcher and check if the error message is gone. If the issue is still happening, the next thing to try is running Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Sometimes the launcher needs higher permissions to access files, update content, or launch games properly. To do this, find the Epic Games Launcher icon on your desktop, Start menu, or taskbar. Right-click it, then select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. After the launcher opens, test it again and see if the error message still appears. This simple step can solve a surprising number of launch problems. Now, if you're still getting the error, let's repair the launcher itself. Over time, files can become damaged or incomplete, and repairing the app can restore missing components. Open the control panel, then go to Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, find Epic Games Launcher. Right-click it and choose Repair if that option is available. Follow any prompts and let Windows finish the repair process. Once it's done, open the launcher again and check whether the issue has been fixed. If the repair option doesn't appear, you may need to reinstall the launcher, but in many cases, the repair step is enough. Another important fix is updating your graphics drivers. Even though this sounds like a gaming issue, outdated GPU drivers can cause the launcher to crash, freeze, or throw unexpected errors. If you have an NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card, go to the official driver website or use your manufacturer's update tool and install the latest version available for your system. After updating, restart your computer so the changes fully apply. Then try opening Epic Games Launcher again and see if it loads properly. If none of those fixes work, the problem may not be on your computer at all. Sometimes, Epic Game services experience outages or maintenance, which can trigger error messages even when your setup is fine. To check this, visit Epic's official support or status page and look for any reported service issues. If there's a known outage, the best thing to do is wait it out and try again later. That way, you don't waste time changing settings when the issue is actually on Epic's end. By now, one of these steps should have cleared the Epic Games error message and gotten the launcher working again. The fastest fix is usually clearing the web cache, but if that doesn't work, the administrator option, repair tool, driver update, and server check are all worth trying in order. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.